This is Jordan Coleman teaching polynomial long division. Polynomial long division consists of 5 steps: dividing, then multiplying, then subtracting, then bringing down, and then repeating. So, as you can see, you start with dividing. Now in polynomial long division, you're always going to divide the first term in the dividend by the first term in the divisor. In this case, x cubed divided by x gives you x squared. And we will always write the products or the quotients to our division problems up here, which will give us our final product. So from x cubed divided by x, we get x squared. Next, we multiply. X cubed times x gives us x cubed. X cubed times -3 gives us -3x squared. So in polynomial long division, we always subtract, as you can see in the process. So x cubed minus 2x squared minus x cubed minus 3x squared gives you x squared. Now a hint in polynomial long division is that the term right here should always be equal to the term that you get after you multiply. If this is not the case, then you did something wrong, so you should go back and find your error. So next, after we find the answer to our subtraction, then we're going to bring down. In polynomial long division, we always bring down until there's nothing left to bring down. In this case, we have a 0x to bring down, so that's what we do. X squared plus 0x. Lastly, we repeat. That means we do these first 4 steps over again until we can't anymore. So, x squared plus 0x, divide. X squared divided by x is x. X times x equals x squared. They're the same term, so that means we did it correctly. X times -3 is -3x. Next, we subtract. X squared plus 0x minus x squared minus 3x gives us 3x. Lastly, we bring down. There's something left to bring down, so we're going to bring down the -4. That's our last term, so we won't be bringing down anymore after this, which means our final product is near. 3x minus 4. So, we're going to start, now we repeat. That means we start the process once more. 3x divided by x cubed, 3x divided by x gives us 3. 3 times x is 3x. These two terms are the exact same, which means we're still on the correct path. 3 times -3 is -9. 3x minus 4 minus 3x minus 9 gives us 5. You might be a little confused by this, but the two negatives equals a positive. So -4 plus 9 is really what you're really seeing. So our final product is near. Now you might be wondering, what do we do with this 5? It doesn't fit in the equation. Well, here's the solution. Anytime this is not 0, this is the remainder of the product of the problem. So this is how you find the remainder and how you put in the problem. You take the 5, which is the remainder in this problem, and you put it as a numerator over in a fraction. The denominator will always be the divisor. So, in this case, we have 5 over x minus 3. 5 is the numerator and x minus 3 is the denominator. Now that we have our remainder, we're going to put it all in order. We have x squared plus x plus 3. The final product is x squared plus x plus 3 plus our remainder right here, 5 over x minus 3.